Hey guys, what's up? Patika Williams here. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably looking up some information about LNS, okay? Lead System Network. Now, with this system, it is absolutely a complete um, business tool suite. Now, there are tons of other business tool suites. There are tons of tool suites out here that have different tools that we all need, and they're kind of like an all-in-one. Now, LNS is like a complete tool suite, because not only does it have the customizable capture pages and autoresponder system, it has the text message system. It's a campaign manager, lead generation center, and it also has a blogging platform, which a lot of people look for in their business, because that is a way to basically have their own personalized website. Okay, now you can have your blog, and you can use your blog to brand yourself, your brand, and what you represent. So having a blog is very important, and I stress that a lot to my team, about having some type of blogging system, because that's you. People can always go there and see what you're about, and you can definitely make it your own. Now, it also has webinar platform. Okay, so you can have your own webinars set up, and you can use that to connect with your team. I know a lot of people do Google Hangouts or what have you, but you have your own webinar platform. Okay, it has a live chat with text replays. Of course, they have the affiliates program, and the autoresponder system. Your lead capture pages, like I said again, and for your autoresponder, a lot of people really look for autoresponder with the system, because you know you can get certain business tool suites, and you have to have an additional autoresponder to actually use it. So getting an autoresponder with the system really makes it complete. Alright, so if you want to get more information about and the complete package that you get, and see everything that you get, I will leave the information in the link below. And like I said, um, I looked at some other ones, and this is really complete. Like I said, it's all around complete. It has the capture pages, it has the blogging system, and it has the autoresponder. So this really replaces a lot of stuff that is really needed for your business. Okay, so like I said, there are tons and tons of business tool suites out here, but of the ones that I've checked, this is actually really the most complete, because it actually replaces a lot of the things that I use. So I'm really really loving what LNS has, and I'm really looking forward to using this. So like I said, if you want more information, in the description, I left a link for you to check it out. It is free up until May the 1st, and it will be $30 a month afterwards. Now they do have different levels that you can choose from, but all of the information is on that link. Bye.